Good investors and good entrepreneurs see the future well before others do. They gain a competitive edge by getting in on new trends as they're emerging and shaping them to their advantage. One new trend emerging right now is the trend towards ever greater unpredictability, because our world is growing ever more volatile and ambiguous, and the rate of change is accelerating ever faster. Winning investors over the coming years will be those who harness this unpredictability to give themselves an unfair advantage. And the key to that is deploying an ergodic investment strategy. It's a strange word, is ergodic. It's one that you may not have heard of yet, but I can guarantee you it will be one of the most common words spoken over the coming 10 years, because it's at the heart of making unpredictability a competitive advantage.